All right, so today we're going to turn improper fractions into mixed numbers. And remember, anytime we see a fraction, that means that is a symbol of division. So we're going to follow these steps to the side. We're going to divide, which is going to be our step 1. Our step 2 is going to be the remainder becomes the numerator. And step 3 is our denominator stays the same. So we're going to go ahead and divide. Remember, our numerator goes inside and our denominator goes outside. All right, remember 10 does not go into 5, but 10 does go into 59 5 times. So 10 times 5 is 50. Remember, now we subtract. 9 take away nothing is 9. 5 take away 5 is nothing. And then now we just divided. Our step 2 is going to be our remainder. Remember, is going to be our numerator. And our denominator stays the same. And our denominator was 10, so our denominator is going to stay 10. So here, 59 over 10 is 5 and 9 tenths as a mixed number. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Let's go ahead and let's do 14 divided by 5. Remember, step 1 is going to be to divide. So we're going to put 14 on the inside, 5 on the outside. 5 does not go into 1, but 5 does go into 14 2 times. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 2 would be my whole number, right? And then we're going to subtract. So 4 take away nothing is 4. 1 take away 1 is nothing. Now remember, what's left over? Our remainder becomes our numerator, which is 4. Doesn't want to, 4. So our remainder becomes our numerator, and our denominator stays the same, which is 5. Okay? All right, let's try that again. So now, let's do 47 divided by 9. Remember, a fraction is that symbol of division. We want our whole number, and then our numerator, denominator. Okay, so we're going to divide 47 divided by 9. 9 does not go into 4, but 9 does go into 47 5 times. So 5 is my whole number, right? The big W. So 9 times 5 is 45. We do our subtraction. 7 take away 5 is 2. 4 take away 4 is 0. Remember, our remainder is our numerator. So we're going to put our 2 on top, and our denominator stays the same. So our answer would be 5 and 2 ninths is the mixed number for 47 over 9. All right, last one we're going to do. We're going to do 34 over 8, which is really 34 divided by 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and divide. We know 8 does not go into 3, but 8 does go into 34 4 times. So see how 4 is my whole number. How many times 8 goes into 34? That's going to be our whole number there. And 8 times 4 is 32. We're going to subtract. And then remember, our remainder is our numerator, and our denominator stays the same. Okay? Now be careful, if you can simplify your fraction, be sure to simplify your fraction. So like here, 2 and 8 are both even. So we know we can divide by 2. So we're going to leave our whole number alone and copy it. But our fraction can be simplified. 2 divided by 2 would be 1. And 8 divided by 2 would be 4. So our mixed number here would be 4 and 1/4.